Hello guys, welcome to this unboxing of EZVIZ C1C-B camera. It's a very nice camera. The packaging is amazing. As you can see, the packaging does all the things that it does. Very nice packaging. Unboxing the EZVIZ camera. Very nice packaging. I'll show you what it comes with in the box. Actually, it has two packages inside the box. This is the camera. And then it has the I believe it is the charger. It's a very nice packaging inside. Look at the unboxing. Wow, it's very nice. Guys, this is the camera. This is the EZVIZ camera. You can turn it down like this. Very nice. EZVIZ. It also has a slot for memory card. You can put a SD card for storage. You can also has microphone and USB down there. Okay. So the other package here, we have, I believe we have some paperwork and charger. In the other package, we have some paperwork and charger. I believe this is a charger. Yeah. Some paperwork, user manual, standard procedure, guys, and the QR code. I believe use the QR code to download the app. Very nice. Very nice packaging, guys. Hey guys, this is what you get from the box. You get the charger here, standard micro USB. Then you have the EZVIZ camera. Then these, I believe these are blanks for mounting, and also you have a mounting plate. Okay, so supposed to screw here and there. And then this underneath the EZVIZ, this is magnetic. You see, it will creep there like that. It's magnetic, so it can be held in place with a magnet. Okay, it's very nice packaging, guys.